exciting unboxing. I got my December BoxyLuxe. I am so excited. I got this last time, which was the first box I came out with. Obsessed. I was so obsessed. I could not wait till the December box. So here it is. So if you all would like to see what came in the December BoxyLuxe, hey, don't change that channel on me. Okay, you guys. Got my box cutter. This has a little battery symbol on here. So I don't know what's in here. I know there's a hair straightener in here, but I was pretty sure it was electric. I don't know. We're about to find out. It has been cut. It is now being opened. What's it say? Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. My stuff's hanging out of it. Ta-da! Oh, warranty papers. So if you do not know about BoxyLuxe, let me tell you. If you are a Boxycharmer, you get Boxycharm every month. You can upgrade like every 3 months. They come out with a Luxe box, and I think it's an extra $28 a month on top of your $21.99. And you guys, the product that was in the last one, oh, I loved it. If you guys watched my video, which I will link it below, oh my god, that box blew my mind. So you get the Boxycharm book in it, and what it does is it tells you everything that is in your box, what it's for, how to use it, what it retails for, and on the back you always have some coupons. So here are like the coupons, if that'll help you out any. We got those. I do not know what is in this box, you guys, other than I got to choose the hair straightener. Other than that, I had no clue what's in this. I have not watched anybody's unboxings, so we are going to do this together. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay, you guys, let's jump into this because I am like super stoked to see what's in here. Okay, of course, the first thing is a hair straightener. It's from PYT. It says it's a girl's world. What color did I get? It's a girl's world, people. A girl's world. Let me see. It's in a Velcro. How cute. Look at this. Well. Oh my god. Look at this. How flipping cute is this? This is so adorable. This is PYT on it. How cute. This is adorable. You guys, let's see, what does, I'm thinking this retailed for PYT mini hair straightener, $75. Get those pesky baby hair, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go with this adorable PYT mini straightener. Has ceramic plates, floating ceramic plates, adjust as you style, allowing you to create straight or wavy curly locks. Oh, so they move to, so that it, the top one, yeah, they both do actually. They move with you. So it is like a floating. Sweet. That is adorable. Like, seriously. I don't know if I actually have any use for it, to be truthfully honest, because my hair is longer and I don't have any short pieces of hair. But if I don't keep it, it's going to make a really cute gift. I think it would be adorable. Okay, what is next on top here? Okay, we have Spongeelle Blossom Bliss. Oh, body wash infused buffer. See that? Let's Spongeelle Body Wash Infused Buffer retails for $20. It's a body wash infused buffer. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I might want to read it right, Lori. Spongeelle's body wash infused buffers will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Multi-use buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of all kinds of stuff. But there you go. So it is infused, I guess, with the soaps and stuff. It smells really clean. It smells really good, actually. I'm excited for that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. You guys. Oh, Lexi brushes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Lexi brushes. Where you at? Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set retails for $65. Get the flawless look with your new cruelty-free Lexi brushes. This brush set has every brush you need to create a full face look. Oh, that's so awesome. I'm so excited, you guys. I love Lexi brushes. Yes, I do. But, I mean, look at this. It has everything in there. See that? Look at that. Oh, yes! That's so cute. I love it. It's got the eyebrow spoolie. We got face brushes, eye brushes. Oh, so excited. I'm so stoked for this, you guys. And it retails for $65. Okay. Then we have this Glam AF. I do not know what this is. We're going to find out. It is not listed on here. Oh, how cute! This is a makeup bag. Look at that. Oh, that is adorable. It feels like leather. I doubt it really. Oh, and there's something inside. Crimes of Beauty. This is a portable charger. Okay, this whole thing is from Crimes of Beauty. Oh, look. It comes with a charger. Ah! It says Crimes of Beauty on it. That's awesome. Are you flipping kidding me? I love it, you guys. The ultimate bag for beauty essentials on the go. This durable and lightweight pebble faux leather bag is ideal for the jet setter, the trendsetter, and the girl boss who's always running to her next meeting. The portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB so that you never miss an Instagrammable moment again. It's $22. Oh, I am excited. That is so flipping cool. Yes. Okay, next we have Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dust to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Wonderlust. Wonder Beauty. $26. This Boxycharm exclusive launch contains 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly onto the skin for a natural glowing finish. Offers 2 blushes and 1 highlighter. I love blushes, and I really, really like these blushes in here. Look at this. Look at these 2 blushes right here. Those are so pretty. And then the highlighter. Like, seriously. Gorgeous. Very cute. I like that. And again, it retails for $26. Pull this out. Oh, you guys. Oh. We got the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadows HG. Yes, the Holy Grail. I love it. I do not have this. Retails for $45 and has 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from creamy mattes to bold metallics and silky satin. I don't know if I just moved the camera. If I did, I'm sorry. can't get in this. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. Ta-da! Oh, it's magnetic. That's awesome. And here, oh, it's got this huge mirror. But look at the shadows. Are they not gorgeous? So this is the crystal that they said would be a good highlighter for fair and light skin tones. And then what did they say? Toffee? I think it was toffee. Toffee for darker skin tones, which is that one right there. This is gorgeous. I love the shades because they're me. It's the warm tones with the reds and the oranges, and oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. I'll show you one more time. Look at that. Is that not pretty? And it's magnetic. Love it. Look, it's magnetic. Woo! Magnetic. Love it. So excited. So excited. And then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. This is what the packaging looks like. And it is, oh, about swallowed my tongue. $89? Seriously? Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosas to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. The ultimate anti-aging skincare. Oh my God. $89. Okay, here's the size of the jar. But look, it's just this right here. The rest of it is like, there's nothing around here. This is just all glass. I don't know if I can get this camera to focus. But can you tell? Look, it's just the center. But $89. Come on, look. It's just, that's it. What's in there? I mean, hey, if it'll work, okay. There's a lot in here. Can you see that? There's a crap load on the lid. That's awesome though. See, I love trying this stuff because last time I got the Juice Beauty, and you guys, I'm still sitting right here on my desk. I'm still using the Juice Beauty that I got in the last box, and this was the big dollar one last time, and I love it. I love the Juice Beauty one. So I'm hoping I like this too. $89. About choked on that one, I'm just going to tell you. See, they send us this stuff knowing that we're going to fall in love with it, and then we're not going to be able to afford to buy it because that's expensive. Okay, we've got two more items. I got a Lorac primer and mascara duo. Called the Royal Treatment Mascara. Treat your lashes like royalty with Lorac's Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. One end features a blue tinted primer, making for the perfect base to achieve the darkest lashes. And then the other end features a slim one that will hug your lashes from root to tip, thickening and volumizing. Well, I'm just going to start using it anyway, so we'll just open it. It is hot. You can see that, can't you? That is blue. And it will go on blue too. as you can see, is definitely blue primer. Let's see how skinny this is, because I'm going to use this probably tomorrow. It's not a bad wand. So this is different. Did I say what this retailed for? $24. But look at it. It's dual-ended. How cool is that? Pretty cool. And then last but not least, I got the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint in Flaming Hot. Flaming Hot. Flaming Hot. Let's see. Whoa! This is glitter lip paint, retails for $20. Definitely not my shade, so I'm not going to open it. I'll probably give it away, but it's really, really, really pretty. It's just not, it's not me. You know what I'm saying? It's not me. But, oh, it is really pretty. You guys, I'm really excited about these boxes because we're paying $21.99 and then $8 or $28. So I think it's like $49.99. We're paying $50. And you guys, my box came to $386. That is what the retail of my stuff is. I'm so excited. But you guys, that is it. That is the December Boxycharm BoxyLuxe box. It's worth $50. Definitely. I mean, it's worth $50. If you're a Boxycharmer, you need to make sure that you're getting the BoxyLuxe every 3 months, because you guys, it's great. It's awesome. I think it's awesome. I think it's very awesome. But that's it, guys. That's everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. And you guys, did you get the box? What box do you have? I got version number 3. So I'm pretty excited about that. And it is the Season BoxyLuxe. There you go. Oh, okay, I get it. Tis the season. Are you kidding me? Because it says C-S-E-A and then sun, S-U-N with a pink bell again. I was like, tis the season. Yeah, tis the season. You guys, I hope everybody has a merry, merry, merry Christmas and happy holidays. And I love you guys so much. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.